Hey guys, Upnorthboys here. Today we are putting rubber bands on that watermelon right there until it explodes, and the last Upnorthboy to put the rubber band on has a punishment.
Stay tuned until the end to see what that punishment is.
Please place item in the bagging area.
One. Alright, this is the first rubber band.
Recall. Second rubber band.
It's kind of challenging.
Third rubber band. Shoot. Alright, here we are. It's about 100 rubber bands on.
We don't know how long it's gonna take.
Alright, so as you can see, we really haven't made a dent in the rubber bands. A ton of them left. Look how many rubber bands we have on this. So, it's pretty close. You can see that it's kind of bulging out right now. Oh, get a slow motion. What? So the watermelon, it split open, but it hasn't exploded yet, as you can see.
There's a lot of juice running out of it though, which means it's about to completely go.
We're gonna keep putting rubber bands on it, see what happens. Oh,
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 oh.
yeah! Yeah!
Wait, whose was that?
So the punishment is you have to take a bite out of this ball. And since Aaron and I both put on the last rubber bands, we both have to take a bite.
How am I gonna take a bite out of this?
That's awesome. Alright, so we're going to be giving away this ball. All you got to do is be subscribed, like the video, and comment down below.